little tips and tricks for riding downhill with a motorcycle, because you will always have like the weight of the bike pushing you, wanting to push you forward. So especially in these tight corners, you see, you come here, braking with the front brake, take the rear brake, releasing the front brake but still keeping pressure on the rear brake, and already going on the gas pretty quickly. Like the moment there's going to be another corner here. So now I will explain the gas. The rear brake will always be applied throughout the whole corner. That's very important. So now I'll keep attention on my throttle. So second gear, I'm applying rear brake, and already I'm on the gas, like a little bit on the gas. Now fully on the gas, and the brake is released. Like you should always keep the pressure on the brake when you're in the corner. Now, let's say this is the corner. Like in the beginning already here, I'm on the brake throughout all the corner, and already when I'm, let's say, releasing the front brake a little bit, I will go on the gas, but like slightly, just to keep some like controlled movement in the bike. And when I'm out of the corner, or almost out of the corner, I release the rear brake and go on the gas a bit more.